first question, ibig sabihin ba 4 times magpa-file sa loob ng isang taon? Depende kung ano yung business mo. For online freelancers, yes, usually 4 times a year lang nagpa-file dahil wala namang employee. Nagpa-file lang ng quarterly income tax return. So 4 times a year yon. And then yung annual registration fee, sinasabay na yan sa annual ITR. So parang 4 times a year mo iintindihin si BIR. Pero yung other businesses, lalo na kung may employee ka, meron yan monthly filing na fina-file kay BIR, yung monthly withholding tax on compensation na BIR Form 1601C, for example, monthly yan fina-file kay BIR. Second question tayo, mixed income earner ba category kapag employed and professional real estate broker? The answer is yes. Basta employed tayo and then meron tayong other business, whether goods yan, retail, buy and sell, or services like real estate broker, basta business plus employed, laging ang compliance natin or ang category natin is as mixed income earner. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.